Yeah! Everybody cheers! Manicure, now we're going for lunch, yeah. Punctured tire.
This car is getting all the firsts.
Yeah. First tire change to grow up so fast. Lift the whole car.
Right off the ground. With the power of leverage, you could lift up a whole car with your single hand.
Science rules.
Right there. Ah, that's not going to be replaceable.
Yeah, that's pretty.
That's a goner.
And then?
It's blowing onto the highway now. Holy shit. It's literally going through the highway.
Yep. 2 hours later and we're gonna have lunch. Dust storm. And then, clear blue sky. Most importantly, outlet shopping.
Water.
Water!
That's all you get.
You get a half of a sunroof.
Okay, I was expecting the whole roof, but...
Just now stand up and put your head out. Cheers me. Going out for a night on the town. Cold out, ain't it, Zeke?
I could. It might happen.
Be gentle. Cheers.
Cheers.